Finance Ministry seems to be having second thoughts on whether to agree to auto industry's demands on slashing the GST rates. News reports say the Finance Ministry officials have indicated that instead of asking for GST relief, the Indian auto companies must try and lower costs by reducing royalty payments to foreign parents and use the resultant room to drive sales via price cuts. Now, this comes as a dampener as the auto industry was hoping for a GST relief, especially after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in August at a CIA event had responded to an observation on the need for lowering the rates on two-wheelers by saying it was indeed a good suggestion as this category is neither a luxury nor a sin good and hence merits a rate revision. In fact, the statement had surprised many at that time, given the stretched finances of the government on the back of COVID 19. GST revenues have also been way below the targets for the last few months, so chances of tax cuts appeared quite remote. GST Council has also recently estimated the shortfall in states' GST receipts for FY21, that's after factoring in the compensation cess proceeds, at a whopping 2.35 lakh crore rupees. That's a big shortfall against the centre's budgeted GST receipts, it is also evident. The country's largest two-wheeler maker, MotoCorp, has been pitching for a reduction of the GST rate on two-wheelers to 18% from the top slab of 28% in order to spur demand. Apart from that, Maruti Suzuki, Ford Motors, and Toyota Kirloskar executives have time and again said higher taxes on automobiles were restricting the sector's growth by making the ownership of vehicles unattractive for consumers. However, Finance Ministry officials have indicated that the tax policy for the sector has been quite consistent for the last 3 decades, now in the form of allowing foreign investment and incentivizing domestic manufacturing by providing reasonable protection from imports. They've also pointed out at how the Indian automakers shell out large amounts as royalty to their foreign parents and tax reliefs on royalty under the bilateral tax treaties between India and other countries also aid the royalty outflows. Finance Ministry officials have reportedly also said that GST rates on automobiles are less than what VAT and excise duty rates used to be in the pre-GST times. Contesting the view that tax rates for automobiles are high in India, they have said that taxes on automobiles are in the highest bracket across the globe without much exception, and have said, therefore, that it is unfair to claim that the GST rates in India are astounding. This seems like a U-turn and for sure dashes the hopes of the industry for now.